Hey there, football fanatics. Get ready to take your game day experience to a whole new level with Doba, your go-to dropshipping destination. Imagine this, you and your crew firing up the grill, proudly flaunting your Chiefs or 49ers barbecue sets. The sizzle of victory is in the air, and the excitement is through the roof. But hey, when it's time to kick back and soak in the glory, wrap yourself in the ultimate comfort of a team-themed bathrobe. Because, let's face it, real fans know how to relax in style. But wait, there's more. Elevate every aspect of your life with personalized essentials from towels to blankets and more. It's time to show off your team spirit like never before. The Chiefs and 49ers are gearing up for gridiron glory. And guess what? So should you. Don't miss out on the chance to rep your team with unparalleled pride. Head straight to Doba.com and prepare for the ultimate showdown. It's not just about the game. It's about making every moment count with Doba.